Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Is there any style of guitar playing that one should be self-taught at? So, is there any style of guitar playing, any style of music with a fair amount of guitar in it, that it would be a good idea to be self-taught at? Well, basically, the way I see it, this is a very simple question. If you can be self-taught in absolutely any kind of music, any style of music, as long as you don't care if you're gonna be good or not at it. So, if you don't care about what level you're gonna reach, you can be self-taught. If you don't mind staying at the beginner or an early intermediate level of playing, there is no reason to ever involve yourself with teachers, with coaching or anything like that. So I've said this before because people tell me, oh, you always tell us about coaching and that's really important. Yes, it's very important if you want to get better. If you don't want to get better because you're happy where you are, there's absolutely no reason to involve yourself any deeply and just, try to be self-taught. There's absolutely no problem with that. And I don't feel that the people who are deciding to be self-taught are doing something necessarily wrong, as long as they understand they are not going to reach a high level of playing. That's all there is. What I've noticed in literally thousands of cases so far because I've been doing this for a few decades now, is every self-taught player, sooner or later, will hit a wall where it becomes impossible for him to develop further. I'm not going to say it becomes difficult, it actually becomes impossible. It's literally like having painted yourself into a corner. There is no way you can get out of that without stepping on the paint. So, once again, bringing us back to my original point. If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. If you're happy with your playing at the point where you're stuck, stop worrying about it. Stop worrying about the specific style of music, stop worrying about people saying that coaching is good, stop worrying about anything. Being self-taught, again, I will repeat it, is only a problem if you're not happy with the level you have reached, or also with the rate you're progressing if you're still progressing. So if you feel you're progressing too slow, yes, you shouldn't be self-taught. If you're happy with the rate you're progressing, or if you're happy with the level you've reached, then there is no reason to worry about being self-taught. However, there is no specific style where there is an advantage to you being self-taught. It's always gonna you will always reach a better level of playing if you have a competent teacher guiding you throughout this process. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them in a future episode. Bye bye.